Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Janelle and I upload new videos every Wednesday. In today's video, I wanted to do a super quick, easy makeup tutorial and share with you guys my 2-minute makeup routine. Don't forget to subscribe and check me out on Instagram and TikTok. I post on there every day. Let's get in the video. Step 1, I like to conceal and brighten up my under eyes. To do that, I've been loving to use the Tarte Shape Tape Glow On. This is technically a dewy product, but I love using this for underneath of my eye because it blends out seamless and it has a really subtle sheen that just kind of mimics the natural skin glow that your skin texture has. So you don't see where the concealer starts and finishes. It all just looks like it's your natural skin. Start by putting just like a thin amount just in here. I'll put some on my chin, around my mouth, down my nose, sides of my nose, and forehead, sometimes even around my brows. You can see it has a nice like salmony color, so it really helps with any discoloration underneath of the eye. Favorite brush to blend that out is my Sigma F03 base brush. Now you can get 10% off of Sigma brushes with the code Janelle10. This is my favorite though because it blends out the product super quick and seamless. Oh, I have some blemishes, so I'll even carry it over any blemishes if I have to. I gave my skin a facial with these two products I'm gonna share with you guys in a second, and my skin has never looked better. Granted, I do have a couple of breakouts here because I was eating like garbage yesterday and I did have dairy yesterday, but beside that, like the overall texture and like glow on my skin looks really nice. Basically what I did was I went in with the TLC Baby Facial by Drunk Elephant, and then after I let this sit on my skin for 20 minutes, I went in with the City Beauty Line Smoothing Hydro Mask. Together, this will literally make your skin look like glass so fast. I was having a lot of texture problems and that literally just helped my skin so much. Once I do this, I like to go in with a cream blush. The cream blush that I've been loving when I'm running out the door is the Jouer Blush and Bloom Uplift Blush Stick. I like the shade Uplift Me because it's a nice muted pink that's so easy to blend out. If you like a bolder blush, you can use the blush on the other side called Amuse Me. Sometimes I'll mix them together, but when I'm rushing, this shade is literally perfect. It makes it so quick and easy to blend. And basically I like to put that on the front part of my cheek and then across my nose. It kind of helps contour it in a way. It works. And then like I'll blend it up my cheekbone to help kind of contour the face without having to go in with a separate contour product. My favorite brush to blend that out with is my Mario F1 face brush. One thing that will help you be able to do your makeup so much quicker is the tools. You have the right brushes that allow you to blend out products seamlessly, not leave streaks. It'll allow you to do your makeup so much faster. It'll look way more flawless without having to put in nearly as much. After I do the blush, I like to add a little bit of my Hourglass translucent powder to my under eye and like on my chin, nose, and forehead. This just helps brighten up that area. It also ensures that the concealer and all that doesn't crease, and it just like gives the skin a really smooth finish. And I typically like to apply that with just a small powder puff. This one I got from Amazon, and like look at the difference just those 3 steps have done. Now typically for my 2-minute makeup, I don't like to fill in my brows. I just like to run a brow gel through them. The brow gel that I've been really enjoying lately is the Ivy Poppy May Brow Styling Gel from a small business, and I like this because this gives me that feathery brow look without being overdone. So I just like will back comb my brows and then comb it up. And they'll look really high right now, but I promise you in a second they fall. Honestly, on a lot of my no makeup days, I'll just curl my lashes and I won't apply mascara. So I'm just gonna use my Revlon lash curler. My lash curler had purple makeup on it. Okay, it's fine. I just took a brush and just kind of blended that away. See how curling the lashes, this instantly lifts the eye. Lately for my 2-minute makeup look, I like to go in with a brown lip liner because it kind of makes my lip gloss look a little bit more bold. So I'm taking this Milani lip liner in the shade Saucy Toffee. And then I'll top that with either a lip gloss or a lip oil. Lately, I have been absolutely loving the Fawn Beauty lip glosses and lip oil. I think I want to use the lip gloss today. It's in the shade Coffee Girl and it smells literally incredible. It smells like a latte. It just leaves the lips so glossy, but it's not sticky at all. And then if I have the extra time and I want to give my eyes a little bit more definition, I like to just take mascara at the base of my lash. Lately, the mascara that I've been loving is the City Beauty Beyond Mascara. It's a lash treatment for your lashes, but it's also a mascara. It's incredible. And see, it just like quickly enhances and lifts the eye without like doing a full mascara. Because my problem is when I do a full mascara, I always get it on my eyelid, and then it takes longer for me to remove it from my eyelid than it does literally doing my whole makeup. And then I'll put a little bit on my outer lashes. I threw on my jewelry. I have on my like 30-second dress that I can throw on, and there you have it. This is my 2-minute makeup look that'll help you look fresh and put together so you can run out the door. If you did enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up. If you like more seeing quick, simple content, let me know. I could definitely help you with makeup tips and tricks that will allow you to look put together and all that more efficiently. Let me know if you're interested in that. I love you guys. Consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.